Want to translate your video into any language like this?
It may only get worse. Not only will I tell you about the wonderfully good things that happen when you get sleep,
cela pourrait seulement s'aggraver. Je vais vous parler non seulement des merveilleuses choses qui se passent quand vous dormez.
In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to dub any video using AI, while keeping your own voice completely for free. No time wasted, let's jump right in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. First, click the link in the description to download Edimakor. I'll be using it to translate the video. Step 2. Translate your video. When you open it, import your video and drag it onto the timeline. Right-click the video and select Video Translator. Then choose the language you want. Edimakor can translate into more than 150 languages. For this video, I'll choose French. Next, pick the style you like. There are so many options, so it's totally normal to hesitate a bit. Now it's time to dub your video. You can choose any voice you like, or clone your own voice in the My Voice section. Just click Clone, upload a voice file, or record one on the spot, and you'll get your cloned voice in minutes. Once that's done, click Auto Subtitling. In just a few seconds, your video is fully processed. The speaking speed automatically matches the visuals, so the translated AI voice lines up perfectly. Let's take a look at the final result.
Cela pourrait seulement s'aggraver. Je vais vous parler non seulement des merveilleuses choses qui se passent quand vous dormez, mais aussi des choses alarmantes qui se produisent quand vous n'en avez pas assez. Tant pour votre cerveau que pour votre corps.
If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.